Welcome to video. You can see a sample code for LED blink. We will use this code as our test code. Now go to this website and log in. This website provides you ability to simulate ESP32 online for free. After this, I'll copy my sample code to editor window. Then I'll start making drawing circuit. First of all, I'll select LED from the component list. Then I'll select resistor. I'm using pin number 2 as my output pin. Press R to rotate component position. Once your circuit is complete, click the Run button to start compilation. Make sure to save project. Oops, a typo. Sorry for that. You can see our code is running and working perfectly. You can draw more complex circuit. Thanks for watching.